Alright, YouTubers, we got the Pro MT 4x4 from Proline. Yeah, I had to get it. Your membership at Towers Hobbies, they're taking the coupon code, so it's $60 off. So for $3.39, I figure, hey, let's do it. Let's do it. It looks beefy. It's got pillow ball. Everybody's seen them. They've been around for a while. It's a nice aluminum. I'm gonna put the Castle Creation Sidewinder in there with 1800 kV. It's the shorter can. It's not the real long can. We're gonna get a Savox 1210 waterproof servo in there, and I'm just gonna hook up Arma radio and receiver. But I did pick up trenchers and strapped them and vented them. I still gotta glue them, but I just put one hole for the vent, so I just gotta glue them up. It comes with tires, but they're the MX 28s and they're already glued, and I know from experience that they balloon a lot. So alright, let's get right into it. So yeah, so you can't beat it for $339. It's a tough little truck. I seen it online, and I know everybody's seen unboxing, so. But yeah, it gives you a set of tires. So you gotta figure a set of tires like this is probably like $75. It says 44 on each, so that's 45. It's like $90, but realistically it's probably like 75. And it gives you a body, so you figure you're gonna spend at least $50 for a body. So that's $130 right there. I must have dropped it because these straps were broke. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, I only seen them online, so. I don't know what it actually looks like. I like the body things. I got these for the Yeti. Feels really nice. Got a little weight for a little 10 scale. I got extended hubs for it too. Give it a little wider width. Alright, let's check her out. Let's see what she's up to. Oh, look, I got a broken thing already. I could tell it was. That sucks. The front piece is already broke. I know it was dropped because the straps were already broke. Shipping. Nice sway bars. Shocks feel really nice. Yes, I got the extended hubs to give it a little bit of width since it's narrow. Nice gunmetal Aluminum front and back. Huh. Shock tower looks beefy. Drive shaft. Yeah, I don't usually do 10th scale, but I ran out of 8th scale projects that I want to get, so I couldn't pass this up for that price. But this is a shout out to RC Anonymous. If you found the center diff, the metal center diff, let me know in the comments where it is, or anybody out there that knows the model number, because I ain't even playing with it. I'm not even putting it together with this plastic center diff, and I know they got them out there. I just gotta find it. So yeah, this can will fit in there. That'll fit in there. Nice. Yeah, it's gonna be a beast. Yeah, the one day we had good weather, and this here I got a little aluminum arm I'll put on there. But one day we had like 60 degrees and it rained, so it's only a matter of time we're gonna get some good weather. I'm gonna go over all the diffs. I'm gonna just take this thing apart. Oh, it's nice. I like it. Aluminum right here for the steering. The adjustable steering links are nice. Like 3 mil, 4. The pins, nice huge pins. That rear shock feels a little weak, under dampened on this one. But yeah, I'm just gonna take everything, take it apart, put some oh, let me know if these things are just grease diffs or if they got fluid on them. Because this rear is definitely a little loose. On the front, just notchy. That's weird. That side's a little notchy, like something's binding on there. Oh well, that's alright. I'll take it apart. Other than that, it's beefy. Thick shock towers. They're plastic, but plastic shock caps and collars is the way everybody's going now. I heard the V3 Typhon has plastic shock caps too. So, alright guys, let me know in your comments. It's all scratched up. If you guys have any suggestions on what to do with this right out of the box, besides the front hubs, because I got these. RC8T hex wheels. So that's gonna give me like an inch. So we'll see what's up. Alright, that's it. Real quick video. That's the next project. Alright, YouTubers, I'm out.